Hello, hello. Oh, now you should hear me. Yeah, every day I start the stream and sometimes I forget about something. It's like so usual. Maybe after 152 days, I would be mm, much more careful or professional to remember about everything. Who knows? So I'm just looking at my stream here if it's on, and I could see if it's actually going on. Cool. And it's mostly without any delays, so it's also very cool. Okay, last stream we did some of comparison in social media about no, I'm sorry. We did some comparison about how different search engines represent different candidates. So we have opened a 3 search systems, 2 quite well known in the United States. It's Google.com, it's Bing.com, and we also use some very famous and post-USSR space search system, Yandex. Probably hear something about it, but it's also quite powerful. They have a lot of cool features which way which pretty intellectual. Let's say like we have Google Chrome browser, which is from Google. They have something like Yandex browser, and Yandex browser, if I'm not mistaken, it could translate multiple videos on fly to some languages, like from English to Russian, and you can see any video with live translation, which is pretty cool. So maybe it's possible also with other browsers with some additional tools, third-party tools, but of course it's not out of box in browser, correct? So, and we do some comparison here and find out that not every social media search engine represents both candidates equally. Of course, there could be some reasons for that. So one is current vice president, other is ex-president, let's say, president from past. But at the moment, they're both candidates, and I expect to see similar picture of those candidates. And we saw that different search engines represents those candidates slightly differently, and I'm wonder, is it anything agreed with candidates themselves, or it's just how search engine engineers decided? I don't know. It's pretty sensitive topic. I even afraid that you probably could never see that because YouTube will prioritize that video because it's could treat it as how it's called when I infer to election interference, probably. No, I'm not going to interfere, and I don't say that you should vote for someone. I'm just from developer point of view, just looking how they represent. I even created for my channel. So if we look at my channel at the moment, videos, lives. Oh, come on. Let me transition here. Oh yes, so it's very not non-usual. I have all the like very romantic very romantic thumbnails for my live streams, but that one I decided to create new. Let me open it like here. I asked yeah, some LLM, basically not LLM, some model which also generate which also could generate images like Dolly and Midjourney to create some cartoon characters from logos for Google, Bing and Yandex, and create some fun characters who are fighting with each other. Believe me, it wasn't simple. So I end up with ChatGPT asking, providing each logo and say, without saying it's Bing, Yandex or Google, just create some character, and it's created 3 of those, and I provided it both, like all 3 characters to the ChatGPT and said, can you please display them as fighting with each other, etc. He broke my characters and displayed something like that, and I said, okay, I will use this because I haven't much time, but at least it's interesting. At least the cartoonish, I couldn't say they're too much fun, but yeah, I don't say who should win, who should lost, but yeah, at least it was fun experience to try to display all of those. By the way, when I try adding into prompts that I want display like Donald Trump or Kamala Harris in background, both networks, ChatGPT as well as Midjourney, they said, oh sorry, we couldn't generate something like that. So yeah, I added all of those generated images into Adobe Express, and just find few first images for Kamala and Donald Trump. Adobe Express has nice feature, remove background, which works pretty cool. So I just removed backgrounds, edit that, and create that thumbnail for my YouTube video. So yeah, maybe we could try something we did before. So we have our Google Colab. Let's go here. Okay, what we have first, we have our command prompt. So do you remember, we already in one of the previous streams we created a text. Okay, we created a batch file, .NET batch file. Okay, let me remove the time component. Okay, at least it's still showing us from some time. But do you remember we created a batch component? I'm sorry. Batch command which don't know to where we could enter the URL of some YouTube video or even live stream and select which format we want us to return, and we want to return MP3 format. I created another option for my program because it supports only web file video files, MP4 format, and yeah, it has some bug. When I upload MP3, it says it couldn't process it, so I download MP3 and then I convert it to MP4, just MP4 container with MP3 file, that's it. But my program works fine, but I need to fix it. Maybe I'll fix it on one of our next streams. So yeah, we completed. We have MP3 here. Let's go to our Whisper model. So it's our Google Colab. I shared it with you. I'm not a robot. Yes, also we will install MP, install Whisper, and then we go here to the files section and we upload from test folder. We need stream number 31. Okay, that one. Okay, so let's upload that file and see what we have. Okay, it's uploading, it's installing, so we have a lot of movement here, which is nice and fine. Why we doing that? Probably we could try again. So the full process from downloading some video as MP3, then using Whisper to recognize the text, and let's just click copy paste, and then here we just need to replace it with our copy paste of content. Let's just remove content. It should search from content. Okay, that one will take some time because it will download model. We understand that the best model is large version 3. Maybe if you speak only English, medium will work, but in our test we try to speak different languages, and medium, small and large version 1, I believe, they did not perfectly. Medium and small did not perfectly at all. They cannot recognize, so they just try to parse as one language, which nonsense. And model large or large version 3, maybe we use just last version, recognized everything just perfectly. For us, we even without specifying a language. So we will try to do the same here. Oh, print results. Is it our Whisper or do we have another one? Let's see what we have as well. Because I believe we created another one. No? Executing transcriptions. Probably that one. Oh, no. If anyone need any instructions, please let me know. So we should open it in Google Colab, correct? Open with Google Colab. So now we could transcribe it, that file. Do we have any properties? No. Do we have any info? Okay, we don't have any information here about that file. So let's see how it will perform, but probably we need to execute something like that. We created that too many sessions. Okay, cancel. Let's go and stop this session. I know it will take time, but so that is our session. Let's click manage session and let's purge that. Terminate. Close. Let's close that notebook. I don't know why it was opened. So let's try to start new session. Motorcycles, probably like that. Okay, session leaves some time, so but yeah, let's do only one thing at a time. Let's execute that as well. Oh, we don't have our files here yet. Let's upload our file here. Okay, uploading. Yeah, we still importing that, and then we need to import model. So, and it's T4. So basically we are using also our graphic card CUDA, which we haven't done on our local environment setup when we do that. Do you remember? Okay, about maybe 20-30% already uploaded, but still we have some time, correct? Otherwise we need to stop that. Okay, it should save all our transcripts here alongside with content transcription. Okay, it should create new folder here, transcription, and save that to that folder with exactly the same name as a CRT file, as text file, and then we just need to download that boss. Nice. Okay, that file is uploaded. Let's see what will happen. Oh, there was a moment when we have some dropped frames. Looks like now we don't have any drop frames, so, but yeah. In recording everything should be just fine. Okay, we imported the big model and now we executing it. Oh, what is that? Okay, it's waiting us to upload the files. Oh, come on. Okay, I completely forgot that we do that as functionality here. So let's choose our file from here. So it's uploading file of files. We could specify multiple files and that it will process all these files immediately. So we just could execute the whole code, run all, wait until it will prompt for the file, and then insert file and wait until it will be downloaded. So right now you see we are uploading file. It's 10%. So yeah, here it's upload percentage. Okay. So and then we are going to use ChatGPT. Yes, let's just try OpenAI, chat OpenAI, and maybe Bing.com chat copilot.com, Microsoft. So let's find what is Copilot. Maybe it's like that. Copilot Microsoft.com. Let's just search like that. Cool. Ask me anything. You see, even without signing in, we could generate image. Generate the cat on the horse. The gentleman cat on the crazy horse. Oh, it's asking to sign in. Okay. What can you do without sign in? Without me sign in? answer questions, generate creative content, summarize information, translate text, provide recommendation. Can you generate some short ideas for my video transcript? What maximum size of transcript do you support? Let's ask while we doing our work, yeah. For a video the art of storytelling, exploring quantum computing. No. We need just to provide that. So we have our prompt somewhere. We need to find it. Is it here? Is it asking us here again if we are not a robot? I understand they execute it for free, so they don't want us to automate that thing. And like, you know, multiple farms, some people. Okay. No, OS is not defined. Come on. Whisper. Really? Import OS. Let's see if we have any file here. Okay, we have. So just for reason of speed up the things. Okay. Save the transcript results. Let's remove OS from here. Okay, let's try start from that one. And we just search that file and say copy path and just create that path. Okay, and here we could comment all of that. Let's try execute something like that. So we provided audio file directly without it, and see if it will create folder transcribe. Maybe import OS should go to the top. I don't know why it's failing when we have it in the middle. Maybe because we don't press that we are human too long and something was broken. I remember exactly that the same code was worked before. So let's see if it's create all the folder we need. Output folder, content transcriptions. Where is that folder? Show high output. Definitely it's still working on something. Yes. Or maybe it's transcribing actually. With model transcribe, it's taken a lot of time, and then it will try to create output there, etc, etc, etc. Oh, and base file name. We don't have base file name. Come on. Okay. Let's try once again. I just don't want to break a lot this code, because with that we also need to have that one base file name. So let's ask and upload it once again. Let's do everything properly. So if it understands that we are not here for some reason, let's try once again. Choose file, upload in. 0% is done. Let's do one thing. We do something like that. Oh, not that screen. Like that, and here like that. So it has all the rights to think that we are looking at it, because basically we are looking at it. At the same time, we could interact with this model. Let's search for some other chats. So because we don't want to stop just with ChatGPT. Let's see. So we find some site which says there are more than one. There are chatbot arena. Experience wide variety of models like ChatGLM, Llama, Stable and LLM, and etc. Okay, let's look at it. Versal background, single model or compare multiple models for free. You don't even have to enter your OpenAI to test GPT Turbo model. Inference from Hugging Face, OpenAI. Okay, let's try that as well. GPT for all. Let's try that as well. Quora Poem. Okay, let's try to do simple sign-in. Maybe we switch to that browser because it requires something. LLM Hugging Face. Okay, it supports some of the open source models like PCA, Google Flan, Big Science Bloom, and Blooms. Let's try that as well. It also requires us to sign in, I believe, and open assistant. It's Llama model. Open playground. Probably it's again this Llama model, Hugging Chat. Okay, we have enough, I think. Let's see what we have. Chat to agree of the following terms. Okay, rules. Model B. Enter your prompt to or add image here. Share. What if we don't want okay, it's about ChatGPT. Let's return to that. Expand the description of 88 models. Model A, Model B, Chatbot Arena. Ask a question to two anonymous models and vote for the better one. So that will be for our prompt. Cool. Our prompt will contain our transcript file and question to create short ideas. Okay, so we will try, see, probably we will hit model limits here. Toolkit for TypeScript from the creators. Make a music player. What else it has? New chat. Context. Type your message. So with Pro, does it mean we couldn't use it for free here without max output tokens. Let's use more. Temperature is fine. And let's try to compare with one of the latest Llama model. 16,000 tokens also should be fine, I believe. Yes. Okay, your question. So we transcribing now our text just to show the full process, because how to download video, we did a few streams about it. I still ought to do some video about it, but you know, it's answered questions already. So we are waiting this to prompt us to download. Maybe it will download automatically 2 files, and we will use one of those files with some prompt. And prompt, I don't want to switch from it right now. Let's come back to the execution, because you remember it. Yeah, it stopped execution before we agree that we are human, and it lost some of the loaded libraries or what. So we don't want that to happen again. Okay, let's discover other things we have. Ultimate open source large language model ecosystem. GPT for all. Let's go to GPT for all. Okay. So it's something we need to download and install. Download for Windows. Installer exe. Nice. So basically GPT, it's meta llama 3.8b. So it's actually not GPT. We could use that model also somewhere else. Let's skip that. That thing require authentication. Large language model chat API. Now we could choose what we want to talk to. Some models from Google, some models from Big Science, some model from Open Assistant. Chatbot. Enter here parameters. It's okay. And what is that? Open Assistant chat. Okay, let's try to open it without HTTPS. An error. Open Assistant, links, list of contributors, GitHub, Hugging Face. English. Yeah, that is better. Sign in. Yeah. Maybe it's not working, or what? Out of box again. Of course we could look into more details and try to see it, but out of box it doesn't work. So here we have 2 models. Let's say hi. How I can help you today? And okay, nice. It's compares multiple models. we have that prompt. So let's say that. Let's switch back here, just to not providing that Google Colab option to switch us off. I'm ready to receive first chunk of transcript. ChatGPT is not talking too much, you see, because Meta Llama, they said, okay, also just to confirm, correct. No, I like more ChatGPT. Okay, 3 Turbo and 3 Turbo. We added that model several times, yes. Okay, we're still waiting for Whisper to return us results. Yeah, I had an impression that Whisper in Azure, or when you execute it with some API in OpenAI, SDK work much faster. And it's not, believe me, it's not too costly. It's really cheap. It's really cheap. Let's just test Whisper API costs. So for 1 minute of stream, it's take only that much of cents. So if we try to see my stream length, 34 minutes, yes. Let's return here, please work. So 34 multiply on my money on them, yeah, cost per minute, we see that it's still about just 20 cents. So basically you could transcribe your whole stream for the 20 cents. So basically you will spend about $1.50 in 1 week of streams. Not too much, but it would be much faster than here. And when we ask that question, the transcribes multiple languages and API cost. Let's see where it takes that API cost. Oh, Indian Express. Again, maybe it's outdated. Maybe it's outdated cost because every day it's go lower and lower. What is Whisper API? Come on, it's not that Whisper API I'm looking for. I'm looking for Whisper API from OpenAI. Introducing API for GTP Turbo and Whisper. Okay. Early Whisper API. Whisper API. Whisper API. Okay, request response. Python. Yes, it's September 2022. Also big, hard to run. It's not too hard, but yeah, on demand access price per minute. Okay, it's blog post about its common availability. Let's see, maybe products, pricing, free plus team, okay, enterprise. We probably need SDK somewhere, products, API, okay, pricing, API pricing, and let's search for, by the way, GPT-4o, it's much cheaper than than previous models like GPT 3.5. Low resolution version pricing calculator, cheaper than GPT-4 Turbo for sure. Okay, audio models, maybe it's audio, text to speech. Okay, learn about text to speech, whisper usage. Okay, it's still the same price. So yeah, it's still the same price for the stream, like 20 cents, and it's still the same price for a week of my streams, about less than $2 a week. But as you see, right now we're executing it for free, completely for free. The only demand, as you see, it should be on screen, because if we go off screen, it will start asking questions. Where are we, and do we still want to do that? So it's executing, it's already 16 minutes. It's pretty long time, believe me. So most probably we get that result, and once it's preserved, once it's completed that execution, you see, we stop the stream, and try to create some shorts and complete the shorts creation during next stream. And then I owe you, not owe you, I don't owe anything to you, especially you're not here. But I'm going to create smaller videos just for fun, so which will be summary of my streams, just to close the topic for myself and go into new journey of being a developer. And yeah, after that I'm going to do some, I'm not sure, I'm going at least I have plans to develop some plugin for Adobe Express, which is free online tool to edit photos, videos, everything using power of Adobe. It's really cool, and it's a low collaborative work. So yeah, I want to slightly improve it, at least maybe for someone, or create some use case, learning use case for someone who develop plugins for that thing. So 18 minutes, you know, it's pretty long. I understand it's 40 minutes, but come on, 80 minutes. Oh, okay, cool. 90 minutes, no, 80 minutes, 9 seconds. And now we have both our files downloaded. So let's go to downloads, and we have those files. Open file, open file. Let's try to open file in Notepad, always. Oh, I have so many open files here. Okay, that is my stream. So it's pretty big. Let's try, like, if we are here, let's try go on somewhere where we start chatting. Probably here, AI playground. Come on, it's all 4. Okay, let's try to see its result. So initially we said that we will send some chunk. Oh, it's summarize. And now we need let's come here. So it's not about summarizing using the key points from the video transcripts that I have submitted. Oh, it's about description. Okay, we need that one, correct? because it's about summarization. We don't need. Maybe let's try use this one because it's our examples, tests. It's the best prompt so far. Okay. Okay, we don't need to wait for all the options, so let's do like that, and that is we don't need. And now we just need to switch to AI Playground and say the same question here. So those guys, they lost what we told before, because it said, hello, how can I assist today? It means that their context window is bad. So let's see which short ideas. Importance of engaging content, utilizing analytics to improving, monetizing strategies, and so on and so on. It's not interesting at all. What is here? Let's see. Top 3 ideas for YouTube success. So yeah, it's all. Yes, Llama model, much more better. Meta Llama model. It says us. How to answer how are you in different cultures. Interesting. The art of short talking. Okay. Why? Maybe not Slovak. Slovenian. Yeah, I say wrong. Why Yandex search results are biased. Okay. The difference between Google and Bing search results. Okay, let's try ask that question. It's of which category? Custom voiceovers. We need first category. Let's say elaborate more on the first category. Idea. Yeah, let's remove one double quote. Nice. They provide some still some ideas. Oh, I copied wrong text. Introduction with engagement. Yeah, it doesn't have any idea what we are doing, so it just proposes something, which is good. Let's see what is about the thing from Llama. Description time frame from 9 minutes to 9:33. Okay, no, I don't want highlight anything about Yandex. You know, Yandex is different thing. Let's say first category. Please show exact time frames for voice from the original video transcript. So let's try that one. Effects, intro, sections. So 25 minute, 25 second. Let's see. Opening shot. Voiceover from original transcript. So let's compare the search results from Google and Bing. Section 2. Google focuses on quality and relevance, trying to provide the best possible results for user. I don't remember I say that. 25 minutes. Let's quickly check. It's really interesting. But maybe they just 25 minutes. Let's enable subtitles. Let's remove voice. Okay, it's Yandex. Come on. It's Yandex. So no way. Okay, let's work with our instructions next time, better next time. And for this time, for today's, I believe it's already a lot of time we spent on this. At least today we remember how to download transcribe text for free, and we are saving ourselves with all of these operations like 20 cents. It's pretty huge amount of money. Okay, but yeah, we are saving that to receive free translation, free transcription of our video stream, which is nice. And then we tried several open source models at once at some website, and ChatGPT immediately lost context, but Llama doesn't lose. But yeah, it's not perfect in providing us exact transcript from original video. Maybe we could play slightly with prompt and create some short idea for those video. Probably we create my second short on this channel. At least idea for my second short on this channel next time. So see you tomorrow at 10 p.m. PST. It would be for someone really late night show. For some others it will be pretty late night show. Yeah, have love in yourself, coziness all around you. See you tomorrow.